Hi, I'm Sam with Earlex. If you're a woodworker looking to expand your skills, then steam bending wood might be right up your alley. And the Earlex Steam Generator can help you build heirloom quality projects with beautiful, graceful curves in everything from furniture to musical instruments. The Earlex Steam Generator is great for softening and bending hardwoods using nothing but steam. It holds 1 gallon of water, giving you a constant supply of steam for up to 2 hours. It comes with a brass steam box fitting and instructions on how to build your own steam box out of wood, like the one you see here. Built-in safety features include a 12-foot hose and a case that stays cool to the touch, thermal overload protection, and a one-way valve that protects you from getting burned by steam. For more videos and to see Earlex's complete line of products, visit Earlex.com. Thanks for watching.